Hello everyone, I am the after-sales engineer of MEJEc Water Purification. Today I will show you the installation tutorial of MEJEc ice-making water dispenser. First, we place the equipment on the installation site. Open storage compartment, take out its mounting accessories. The white one is the municipal tap water inlet. The red is the raw wastewater outlet. We're now going to connect this municipal tap water inlet. The other end of our inlet pipe is connected to this three-way valve. Next, we connect this three-way valve to the tap water angle valve. Now, let's connect this wastewater outlet. Insert the other end of the waste pipe into the sewer pipe. Now the water pipe is connected. Let's turn it on. When turning it on, the first step, it will show this rinse for about 10 minutes. Rinsing is complete and water production starts. Water production takes about 20 minutes. Wait until the water production indicator stops flashing, indicating that water production is complete before use.